Hi everybody, it's Frijolita here again. Today I'm going to show you a little bit more about how you can use the app Edpuzzle to learn English. So let's click on Edpuzzle. And now I'm going to enter once again my open class code. Every instructor will have their own unique class code, but mine is JUPIBIK. As you can see, Frijolita's English class comes up. So now I'm going to enter my nickname. I'm just going to put Frijolita because that's what my learners call me. And then HH for the initials of my legal name, Heather Hartman. All right, we're in. Now we're at my dashboard again. We've got our due, our no due date, and our completed. So we can see in my class, Frijolita's English class, we've got a lot of stuff with no due date. So let's pick one. Just as an example, I'm going to pick the first one that's here, all the way at the bottom, 6 steps to prevent COVID-19. Here we go, we're on the video. I'm just going to press play and then some questions are going to pop up throughout the video. I'm going to adjust my volume a little bit so I can hear it well.
The virus that causes coronavirus disease is spreading in some of our communities. This disease, also known as COVID-19, is thought to spread mainly from person to person through respiratory droplets produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes.
All right, here we go. A question is going to pop up and I have to answer it. All of the questions are going to be about things we've already seen in the video. This question is, the man told us coronavirus has another name. What is it? Just as an example, I'm going to choose an answer I know is the wrong answer so I can show you what happens when you get it wrong. I'm going to say another name for the coronavirus is the Black Death. You can see after I choose the Black Death and submit it, it immediately lights up red and shows me that the Black Death is wrong. There's a green arrow next to COVID-19 to show that COVID-19 is the right answer.
These droplets can spread to the mouth, nose, or hands of people who are nearby, or possibly be inhaled into the lungs. Take steps to lower.
All right, we've got our second question. Now let's see what happens when I get the right answer. The question is, the man said the virus sometimes spreads when we inhale it into our lungs. What does the word inhale mean? I chose to breathe in. I clicked submit, and there we go. It lights up green and shows that the correct answer is to breathe in. Click continue to continue the video. Now I'm going to fast forward through the rest of this video because I want you to answer the questions by yourself. Here's the end of the video. Notice a note pops up with important links. For more information, please click cdc.gov/COVID-19. And underneath, there's a link for more information in Spanish. Let's click it and see what happens. When I click on the blue link, it takes me to a different website. This is the CDC website with information about COVID-19 in Spanish. If you don't want to click the link, you don't have to. It's just something I thought would be useful, so I added it in. Now let's go back to our language learning app, Edpuzzle, and do another video. You can see when I open Edpuzzle back up, we're right where I left off on the video. On the bottom, you can see where all the questions were. The red ones show questions I got wrong, and the green ones show the questions I got right. If I tap the screen, on the top left corner, I should see an X button. Click on that to go back to your dashboard. Now we can see in the completed videos is my 6 steps to prevent COVID-19. I can see that I got 86 points out of 100 possible points. Not too bad. I want to watch another video, so I'm going to go back to my no due date videos. Let's click on one and give it a try. I want to try ooh words. Let's click play. Uh-oh, the video stopped. We can see there's a note. It looks like an audio note. Let's click the play button. If you have small children with you, please watch this video together. Sometimes I'll add notes like these to give you guys instructions. Make sure to listen. When you're done listening, click Next Question. In the next part, I just included the instructions in writing, in both English and Spanish. When you're done reading, just click Continue and the video will continue playing. Well, that's all I have for you this time. I'll see you next time with more lessons and tutorials. Bye-bye!